Tauck Tours is being promoted as a premium travel company offering all-inclusive luxury tours and guided experiences around the world. But the real question is whether it actually delivers on that luxury promise or just sounds high-end. The company, Tauck, has been operating for decades and specializes in escorted tours, river cruises, and land journeys with focus on seamless travel experiences. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Tauck is a well-established name in the travel industry, and luxury guided tours are a real category designed for convenience, comfort, and curated experiences. However, here's the key point. While Tauck is a legit and reputable company, the value depends heavily on your expectations and travel style. There are clear positives. Tauck is known for high-quality hotels and transportation, well-organized itineraries with minimal hassle, inclusive pricing, meals, guides, entry fees included, strong customer service and experienced tour directors. User feedback is generally very positive, especially among travelers who want a stress-free, premium experience. That said, there are some downsides. The biggest one is price. Tauck Tours are significantly more expensive than booking trips independently, and some travelers feel the premium isn't always justified. There are also mixed opinions on flexibility. Because everything is planned, you may have less freedom to explore on your own, which can be a drawback for more independent travelers. Another common point is pacing. Some tours can feel structured or rushed depending on the itinerary, especially if you prefer a slower, more flexible travel style. It's also important to understand that luxury tours are less about saving money and more about saving time and reducing stress. So, are Tauck Tours real luxury experiences or false promises? They are definitely real and high-quality tours, not a scam. The bottom line is that Tauck delivers a genuine luxury travel experience with strong service and organization, but the high price and structured format mean it's best suited for travelers who value convenience over flexibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.